ISUPK.
Man. You understand? Once again, we're the Israelite School of Universal Practical Knowledge. Started out of 1 West Harlem, New York, under the Most High Christ, under command of Journey Hunter. And what we do is we come out here and tell our people the truth according to the Bible. You understand? And I heard several brothers pull this verse right here, Hosea 4 and 6. So if you get that preached real quick. Because one thing we know about our people is that we are destroyed, man. You understand? You destroyed from celebrating Mother's Day and Christmas and all that garbage. You were destroyed because you hate another black man. You destroyed because you love weed so much. You understand? And how else do I know that you destroyed? Because if I ask you your nationality out here at the bus stop, you don't know. You understand? You don't have a clue. What you gonna tell me? 2 different continents. You understand? Which was conquered by 2 European explorers. Africanos of Vespucius, and what's the other one? If I could, you understand? Americos Vespucius, conquered by 2 different white men. You understand? If you ask a black person their nationality, that's what they're gonna tell you. You understand? But we're gonna show you the truth according to the Bible. Get that for me one time, Hosea 4 and 6.
Kanawakan, this is the book of Hosea, chapter 4 and verse 6. My people.
My what?
My people.
So the word "my" means possessive. That doesn't mean everybody, black people. You understand? That's what you got to get that Christianity brainwashing off your head, man. Keep going.
My people are destroyed.
They're what?
Are destroyed.
You understand? The people at the bus stop right here, in every ghettos across America that we go, we see the same thing, destruction from our oppressor, man. We see destruction from the white man, you understand? And the only medicine that's gonna fix you is these laws, statutes, and commandments that's found in the Holy Scrolls of the Most High. Let's read.
My people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge.
Lack of what?
Of knowledge.
Somebody give me the definition of knowledge, because y'all think we Negroes with braids up here and beards, and we don't think we don't know what the hell we talking about. So we gonna educate you right here at 8 Mile of Grassy right now. You understand? You talking about you black? That's not a nationality, Negro. You understand? If I ask the white man his nationality, what is he gonna tell me? He's Caucasian. Why? Because he comes from the Caucasus Mountains. You understand? You see how destroyed we are? Keep going. Let's get it. The definition of knowledge.
The definition of knowledge. Facts, information.
Hold on, it's what?
Facts, information.
So the brother came up to the camp earlier and asked us what's the difference between a belief and what was his other question? A belief or a fact. You understand? Belief or what? So we breaking it down to you right here. Keep going.
Facts, information, and skills acquired by a person through experience.
So, hey, this knowledge of the Bible is skills, man. You got to come here and get taught this Bible right here. Right. Your Christian pastor don't know this. You understand? How do I know? Because he celebrate Christmas.
That's right.
He celebrate rabbit lay eggs. That's not, rabbit don't even lay eggs.
That's right.
It's not in the Bible. So what in the hell you been learning in America for 400 years? Garbage. You understand? Read.
Kanawakan, this is the book of Hosea, chapter 4 and verse 6. My people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge, because thou hast rejected knowledge.
They did what?
Because thou hast rejected knowledge.
And that's what most black people do. When we tell you to put the blunt down and stop, you understand, being a whore on the dancing pole, you reject the knowledge that we give you. How many people have walked past this camp and kept going? You understand? Because black people in America are like children. They just want to have fun. That's it. It's more to life than that. You got to have discipline in this thing right here. Keep going.
I will also reject thee.
He will do what?
I will also reject thee.
And that's what the Most High has done to black and Hispanics. He rejected us as a nation of people, man. That's why we on the bottom. You understand? That's why it's a crack spot on every corner across America. You understand? That's why we suffering and got to go to work in the hell that we in right here. Because the Lord rejected us, man. Keep going.
Kanawakai, I will also reject thee, that thou shalt be no priest to me.
And that's what the Bible prophesied, that we will be a royal priesthood. Take me to Deuteronomy 28:6 there real quick. You understand? Because I'm going to show you according to, actually go to Isaiah 1 and 3. Give me Isaiah 1 and 3. I'm going to show you your nationality according to the Bible. Matter of fact, give me from Timbuktu, Barak Yah, if I could. Let me give from Timbuktu, go to Isaiah 1 and 3 real quick. Let's read. I'm going to show black and Hispanic people who you are according to the Bible. Read.
This is the book of Isaiah, chapter 1 and verse 3. The ox know of his owner.
The ox know of his owner, man. Who is that? That's a slave. Know who his slave master is. Read.
And the ass his master's crib.
That means he know where to go. This slave right here know who the slave master is. It's talking to black and Hispanic people. Read.
But Israel.
But who?
But Israel.
Go ahead.
Doth not know.
You don't know that you descend from the greatest people amongst the face of the earth, man.
That's right.
You understand? We just put it earlier. Ye are the salt of the earth. Let's go from Babylon to Timbuktu real quick. Now this is archaeology right here. According to the Bible, we're going to show you who was in those slave ports in Africa. And you understand? Africans enslaved Africans into slavery. You understand that? Guess who got sold into Africa? God's chosen people. The people that's catching the bus right here, right now. Let's read page 84. From Babylon to Timbuktu. Let's go.
Grab them from Jesus.
This is the book of Babylon from Timbuktu, at page 84, starting from the top. The temple above the altar to this statue. In the year 65 BC, the Roman army.
The what?
Roman army.
The Roman armies. Who is that? That's the America all over again. The Roman armies. Go ahead.
Right. Under General Pompey, captured Jerusalem.
Capture who?
Jerusalem.
Who is Jerusalem? Black and Hispanic people. You understand? That's where our ancestors come from. Read.
That's right. General Vespasian in 70 AD, General Vespasian and his son Titus put an end to the Jewish state with great slaughter.
Well, what?
With great slaughter.
That's what they did, man. Killed everybody. That's what the oppression, that's what he's best at. To kill, murder and kill, man. You understand? I'm talking about the nation of Edom, Esau. Right. That's what he's best at, to kill everybody. Go ahead, read. They're doing it right now on camera, black and Hispanic people. You get pulled over by the police, you might get murdered, man, by this devil.
That's
read.
Right. During the period of the military governors of Palestine, many outrageous and atrocities were committed.
What does atrocity mean? That means that's a gruesome murder right there. You understand? Like you see somebody's head get chopped off in front of you.
Right.
Or get hung from a tree. These white people did this to our people. Go ahead.
And atrocities were committed against the residue of the people. During the period of Pompey to Julius, it was estimated that over 1 million Jews.
It was 1 million what?
Jews.
1 million.
That over 1 million Jews fled into Africa.
That's who you are in America, black man. You understand? That's why that's how your ancestors got down here right now. How many Jews fled into Africa?
Over 1 million Jews fled into Africa, fleeing from Roman persecution.
Fleeing.
Nobody tell you crack. You know why? Because I never saw you before. But you a black man like me. And it works out.
My whole life was trying to find something to follow. Had loyalty, every man tried to borrow. Felt pain, And a lot of sorrow, got betrayed, so packed, I didn't even have my heart broke. Living confused, about to lose hope. Cops got me on the side of the road like a sideshow. Need an antidote before I croak. Now I'm setting fire to rhythm man blues for this guitar smoke. Rebel with no cause, trying to find direction. The world got me vexed. Picked up a bad liquor habit that's hereditary from oppression. Felt like my life was on fire, trying to find an exit. Now look, 10 G's plus a good wreck. Sometimes a follower is a soldier, trying to find a good shepherd. Plus when you in hell, how do you excel? Wisdom the breath of life, I don't believe in fairy tale. Listen well to what I tell. No calling can cause pain, something that a rebel knows very well. Can't you tell I was sent from the Lord?